Charlie does not deserve the hate she gets. Okay, hear me out. Charlie is a main character with lots of flaws, and that's okay. Everyone be like, ugh, Charlie, this season is so annoying. Like, shut up. Charlie is the daughter of pride, obviously gonna be prideful. Lucifer was literally kicked out of heaven because of his pride. Why shouldn't Charlie be the same? And don't say, oh, but Charlie doesn't listen to Vaggie. In the pilot, she was just better. Actually, no. Here's a clip of Vaggie and Charlie in the pilot.
Hey, I just feel like we need to, I don't know, make things sound more exciting. Oh, what if I
Sing a song about it?
You knew I was gonna say that.
Because I know you. But please don't sing. This is serious.
Well, you know, I'm better at expressing myself and my goals through song.
But life isn't a musical, hun.
Fine.